Hello students, I am Ruchi Sharma. I will be teaching you physics for upcoming term. Since you have already started your chapter magnetism, we will be continuing from where Sir left the class. Since we have already studied the Oersted experiment in which we saw that a current carrying wire produces a magnetic field around it. Now we are going to study the magnetic field pattern produced by the different shapes like it can be a straight wire, it can be in the shape of a loop, it can be a shape in the coil. So what are the magnetic field produced by these shapes? So we are going to study the magnetic field pattern produced by the current carrying conductor having the different shapes. First of all, we are going with the magnetic. You can write the heading. You can make your notes with me. Field due to current through a straight conductor. So we are going with the magnetic field due to the current straight through a magnetic field due to the current through a straight conductor. For this we have to do experiment in which we using a cardboard and make a hole in this cardboard here and pass a straight wire through it. Okay, we pass a straight wire through it. I am marking this as wire as a A and B. This is a straight wire. If we want to pass the current through this wire, we have to connect it with the battery. This is the battery. You know that the negative sign, this short line show the negative terminal and the positive, this long line show the positive terminal. So we connect the wire with the battery and also with the key for switch on and off. Now switch on the key. What will happen if we switch on the key? The current will pass from this wire. Now this is the direction of current. We know that the current is passed from the positive to the negative terminal. So this is the direction of current passing through the wire. Now sprinkles iron fillings over it. Iron fillings means these are the fine powdered iron. तो आपने आयरन को बहुत अच्छे से फाइनली पाउडर्ड कर दिया. अब आपने क्या करा, एक कार्डबोर्ड लगाया, कार्डबोर्ड में छेद करा और इसमें से वायर पास किया, इसको बैटरी से और की से कनेक्ट कर दिया और आपने इस पर स्प्रिंकल कर दिया, आपने इस पर अच्छे से छिड़क दिए हैं आयरन फिलिंग्स. नाउ व्हाट हैपन आफ्टर टैपिंग दिस कार्डबोर्ड विद अ स्मूथ हैंड, वी टैप दिस कार्डबोर्ड. After tapping this cardboard, we find that these iron fillings arrange themselves in a circular loop. They are arranged in the circle. These circles in which the magnetic field, in which the iron fillings arrange themselves, is called the magnetic field produced by these straight current carrying wire. It means you can write here the magnetic field lines around the magnetic field lines around a straight conductor carrying current are concentric circle. Do you know what is a concentric circle? Concentric circles means the circles, lots of circles which have the common center. So these magnetic fields around a straight current carrying wire are concentric circles whose center lie on the wire. It means this is the center of these circles. So these circles show the magnetic field produced around the straight current carrying wire. Now if you want to know the direction of the magnetic field, you have already studied that the magnetic field lines have a direction. Suppose I am using a bar magnet. Here is a north and a south pole. We know that the direction of magnetic field around it is from north to south pole. So we know that the magnetic field lines have the direction around it, have a direction. So there should be a direction. If you want to find the direction of the magnetic field produced around the straight current carrying wire, you can use a compass needle. You know what is a compass needle? Compass needle is actually a small magnet which always aligned in the direction of north and south. तो छोटी सी मैग्नेट है ये जो हमेशा नॉर्थ और साउथ डायरेक्शन में रुकती है. तो by using this compass needle we can find the direction of magnetic field lines produced around a straight current carrying wire. Suppose we are keeping this magnetic compass here. Now in which direction this compass needle align themselves will show the direction of magnetic field produced around the straight current carrying wire. So by placing this magnet, we find that the direction of magnetic field lines is here. This is the direction of magnetic field lines. It means if we move a current from in upward direction, we found that in upward direction, we found that the direction of magnetic field around is in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise. What happens if we change the direction of current? It means we connect A with the positive terminal and connect B with the negative terminal. Now we saw that the direction of magnetic field around it is also reversed. It means कि अगर आपने अपने बैटरी को उल्टा कर दिया, पॉजिटिव इधर कर दिया, नेगेटिव इधर, अब डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट पहले तो B to A था, अब क्या हो गया है, A to B हो गया। जब डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट A to B हो जाता है तो जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आपका प्रोड्यूस्ड हुआ था उसका डायरेक्शन भी रिवर्स्ड हो जाता है, अपोजिट हो जाता है। इट मीन्स कि by changing the direction of the current, we can also change the direction of the magnetic field produced around it. So by moving the current in the downward direction, we found that the magnetic field around it produced magnetic field around it is in clockwise direction. Okay. Now this magnetic field produced around it has some magnitude. Magnitude means कि कुछ वैल्यू होगी ना, आप कहोगे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ है या कम स्ट्रेंथ है जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस्ड हो रहा है, कहीं मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ज़्यादा है, कहीं पे कम है। तो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स ऑन विच दिस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस्ड अराउंड अ स्ट्रेट करंट कैरिंग वायर डिपेंड्स। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द डिफरेंट फैक्टर्स. Now you can write the heading here. The magnitude of magnetic field produced by a straight current carrying conductor at a given point. Now I am going to explain you, then we will write it. देखो, आपको पता करना है कि जो मैग्नीट्यूड प्रोड्यूस्ड हो रहा है, जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस्ड हो रहा है, उसका मैग्नीट्यूड किन चीज़ों पर डिपेंड करता है। आपने क्या करना है, अपने करंट को बढ़ा देना है। अगर आप करंट को बढ़ा देते हैं, अमाउंट ऑफ करंट अगर आप बढ़ाते हैं, तो आपको मिलता है कि जो मैग्नीट्यूड जो प्रोड्यूस्ड हुआ है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, उसकी स्ट्रेंथ भी बढ़ गई है। इट मीन्स द मैग्नीट्यूड अराउंड अ स्ट्रेट वायर इज़ डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द करंट पासिंग थ्रू द वायर। जितना ज़्यादा करंट होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ होगी इस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन राइट हियर दैट इट इज़ डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल। यू नो व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ डायरेक्टली एंड इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल? डायरेक्टली मीन्स कि बाय इंक्रीजिंग सम वैल्यू अदर वैल्यू आल्सो इंक्रीजेस। कि आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट आवर करंट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अराउंड इट, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस्ड अराउंड इट। अगर मैं आपसे बोल रही हूँ कि करंट और मैग्नीट्यूड जो है इसका मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का, वो डायरेक्टली, इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर मैं करंट को बढ़ा दूंगी तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जो बन रहा है इसके चारों तरफ वो भी बढ़ जाएगा। तो इट मीन्स दे आर डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल। तो यू कैन राइट हियर इट इज़ डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द करंट passing in the wire. By increasing or decreasing the current, we can increase or decrease the magnitude of magnetic field. Now the second one is the distance of the point from the wire. By increasing the distance, we find that the magnitude decreases. It means कि अगर आप डिस्टेंस को बढ़ा रहे हो, सपोज आप इस पॉइंट पे फाइंड करना चाहते हो मैग्नीट्यूड, और अगर आप इस पॉइंट पे फाइंड करना चाहते हो, तो यू विल फाइंड दैट द नियर द पॉइंट, as much as is near to the point, to the conducting wire, the strength is greater than this point. The strength of the magnetic field near the point is greater than this one. इसका मतलब जितना पास आप रखते हैं उतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ आपको मिलती है। तो इट मीन्स कि द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय स्ट्रेट करंट कैरिंग वायर इज़ इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल। अभी हमने समझा कि इन्वर्सली मीन्स कि आप एक चीज़ बढ़ा रहे हो, दूसरी चीज़ कम हो रही है। आप डिस्टेंस बढ़ा रहे हो, मैग्नीट्यूड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का कम हो रहा है। तो आप कहते हैं इट इज़ इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल proportional to the distance of point from the wire. Okay. So first of all, we have a study about the magnetic field pattern produced by the straight current carrying wire. Now, how can we find the direction of this magnetic field produced around it without using a magnetic compass? So here is a rule which we can use to find the direction of magnetic field without using the compass needle. So this rule is called the Maxwell right hand thumb rule. I'm going to explain you. First of all, you write the heading here, direction of magnetic field produced by straight current carrying wire. Okay, sorry. Direction of magnetic field produced by straight current carrying wire. So here is the rule. We write here Maxwell right hand thumb rule. First I will explain you what is the rule, then we will write this rule. Suppose, imagine that you are holding a wire. Suppose this is my hand and I am holding this wire. This is not the wire, but suppose this is a wire. Now I am holding this wire and this is my thumb. My thumb show the direction of current in the wire. It means the direction of current is from this point to this point. Okay, आपने एक तार पकड़ा हुआ है और डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट यहाँ से यहाँ है. The direction in which your thumb point show the direction of the current in the wire. Now, okay, this is the situation. Now, the direction in which your finger encircle the wire will get the direction of magnetic field lines produced around it. It means this is a wire and this is a wire. If this is a current in the upward direction, the direction of magnetic field produced around it is in this direction. It means this is an anti-clockwise direction. I'm making a picture for you. Suppose this is your hand and you are grasping a wire. Now your thumb show in this direction. It means this is the direction of current. This show the direction of current. Then your finger encircle in this direction. This is the direction in which your finger encircle. This show the direction of magnetic field produced around it. You can write the Maxwell right hand thumb rule here. Imagine that you are grasping or holding the current carrying wire in your right hand. It is important that you should use your right hand. Don't use your left hand. You have to use the right hand. So suppose you are holding a wire in your right hand, so that the thumb point in the direction of current. This thumb show the direction of current in the wire. Then the direction in which your finger encircle the wire will get the direction of magnetic field produced around the wire. Now in the experiment we have already studied. In this experiment, this is the direction of current in the wire. Or if we want to find the direction of magnetic field around it without using the compass, then this is direction. This is the direction of current. This means it is in the upward direction. This is the direction of current in the wire in the upward direction. Then the direction of magnetic field will be in this. This is the anti-clockwise. तो अगर ये डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट है तो डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या हो गया, ये हो गया. और अच्छे समझते हैं. देखिए सपोज ये डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट है. नाउ मेक योर हैंड लाइक दिस. आपका थंब शो कर रहा है इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन ऑफ द करंट. तो द करंट इज मूविंग इन द डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. देन योर फिंगर encircled in this direction. It means the magnetic field around it will produced in the clockwise direction. So we can find the direction of magnetic field around a straight current carrying wire by using the Maxwell right hand thumb rule. Now here is example in your NCERT book. We are going to understand this rule more accurately by using this example. The example is a current through a horizontal power line flows in a east to west direction. You can use your book. Here is example. तो आई एम राइटिंग हियर द ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ एंड साउथ, कॉपी में हमेशा आप ऐसे ही शो करते हैं ना. तो द करंट थ्रू द हॉरिजॉन्टल पावर लाइन इन द ईस्ट टू वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. नाउ द करंट ऑफ द the direction of the current is from east to west. This is the direction of current is moving in the east to west direction. Then what is the direction of magnetic field at the point directly below it एंड एट द पॉइंट डायरेक्टली अबव इट. आपको बताना है इसके ऊपर और इसके नीचे जो है वो क्या डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होगा. नाउ यू कैन यूज़ योर राइट हैंड, you can use your right hand, or we can use the Maxwell right hand thumb rule to find out the direction of magnetic field around it. Now this is the direction you are showing the direction of the magnetic field. This is the direction of current. I'm really sorry. This is the direction of current. So your thumb show the direction of current. If your thumb show the direction of current, then what will be the direction of magnetic field produced around it? This is the direction of magnetic field produced around it. It means we can say that above this wire, this is in this direction from south to north. Above the wire, this is from south to north. And below the wire, what is about the below the wire? So we can use your right hand. We can say that below the wire is from here. This is the direction of magnetic field produced around it. तो इधर कहाँ है देखिए, north to south. This is the direction of magnetic field that is from north to south. So below the wire is from north to south. So now we have studied that what is a magnetic field produced around a straight current carrying wire. We have already studied the Maxwell right hand thumb rule. Now in next video we will try to understand what type of magnetic field is produced by the coil and a circular loop. Okay, now have a good day.